Hi guys, for today's video is about unboxing my new tripod.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
Hi guys, for today's video is about unboxing my new tripod. Binili ko siya from Lazada. Na-deliver siya kahapon lang. So ngayon ko lang to i-unbox. And if you are new and here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified every time na may bago akong video na na-upload. And just hit the thumbs up. Just leave your comment below after you watch this video. Alright? Okay, let's begin. So here's my new tripod, and it's a little bit heavier than my first tripod. So let's open it. Oh man. The brand name of this tripod is Yongting. Wow, it has already had a bag. It's a little bit heavy, guys. This is same as in the picture. Okay, let's put it right my side, and here we go. This is the bag of this tripod, and let's open it. Wow, it's a wheel plug, guys. So nice. It's my second tripod. Okay. Wow, it's a good quality, guys. And let's undress this. Wow. Wow. This is brand, guys. It's a Yongting. And the manual. I don't understand the words in the manual except the numbers. And it's written here Chinese language. It's alright. Wow. What the heck? I think it's not aluminum. It's written here in his cartoon that it's aluminum tripod, or it is. It's a lightweight aluminum alloy. But I think it's not aluminum. Maybe the aluminum one is the center stand. And this video, guys, is it's not for unboxing, but it's also for hands-on. It's a nice tripod, guys. And oh, guys, we need to i-stretch natin to kung gaano ito kataas. So ang sabi dun sa description sa Lazada, yung sa details niya, product details, is hanggang about 140, it's more than 140 centimeter. So more than 1,400 millimeter, kumbaga. So i-stretch natin siya kung gaano siya kataas, guys. Wow, ang taas niya, guys. Kita nyo? Ang taas niya. Yan, ganyan siya kataas. And halimbawa, pag ayan, nakabikakan. So compare sa una kong tripod, guys, ito pag binikaka mo ng ganyan, pwede mo siyang i-lock para hindi siya madaling maalam yung ma-close, mapu-fold ulit. So ganyan lang, i-open nyo lang to. Yan. So ayan na, ma-open na. Pagka ganyan, lock nyo lang. Tsaka advantages talaga siya guys, kasi tatlo lang yung lock niya. Ibig sabihin, mas straight mo siya ng times, tatlong beses mo. Ayan o. So, titesto natin ngayon dun sa garage. Okay? So, let's do it. Alright guys, let's straight. Alright guys, titest na natin kung gaano katangkad itong tripod na ito. Okay? Just watch. Ayan guys, ganyan siya kataas, tapos i-zoom na lang natin para talaga makita nyo. Okay? Ito guys, may ano pa siya, may ano man tawag doon, balance. Yung pang balancing niya. Ayan. Ayan yung pang balancing niya. Ayan guys. Tapos naninibago ako sa pag-open dito. Kasi ba yung mechanism niya guys eh. Ayan. So ito pala yung paglalagyan ng yung phone holder, kasi nga smartphone na ang gamit ko. So ito yung paglalagyan ng phone holder. So susubukan natin guys. Test natin to. So ito na. Ayan guys. Diyan natin yan. Ayan yung pang-lock niya. Ikutin mo lang yan. Ikutin mo pa kanan. Okay. So ayan na. Ilalagay na natin guys. After nyan, nalock na natin. Ayan. Lock na siya guys. Wow. Nice one. So, iikot siya ng ganyan. Tapos, kapag hindi mo na ikutin, ilock mo lang. And then, kapag ganyan, ayan yung rotation niya guys. Pero itong palingon niyang ganyan, pakanan pakaliwa, it's a 360 degree rotation guys. You can rotate, you're free to rotate it for 360 degree. Then kapag ito naman pala, para ito sa padungaw niya, pa up and down na rotation niya. I think it's 80 degree. Nakalimutan ko. So ito naman, ito yung pang-lock. Pag nilock mo yan dyan, hindi mo na yan siya maikot. Alright? Pag nilock mo dyan, hindi mo na yan siya maikot. And ito guys, ito yung parang medyo may pagka-motorize niya. Ayan, pak. Ganon. So bababa yan siya, iikotin natin yan dito. Ganyan, iikotin natin yan. Okay, ikutin natin yan dito para aangat siya guys. Ganyan. O, diba nice? Ayan siya guys. It's a max height for this extension. Then you can use this lock on the right side. So lock it on, and it hold it guys to stabilize. Then for the center lock, what we call bang tawag dito. So ito ang gamit nito guys. Ang gamit nito guys para i-lock to siya guys. Para naman hindi siya yung basta gaganon lang. Parang ililigpit mo, 'di ba? So kapag ganyan, para hindi siya kikilos, i-lock mo lang, iikutin mo lang ng papunta doon pa kanan. Turn right. So ganun lang. So hindi mo na yan siya maibabalik pa unless kung i-unlock mo. So 3 legs siya guys. So ganito kami katangkad kung magka-label kami. Teka lang, luluwagan ko ito. So ganito kami katangkad guys, magkasing tangkad lang kami. Ayan oh, magkasing tangkad lang kami. Nasa mga 5 foot lang naman ang ano ko, yung height ko. Hindi naman masyadong pandat, hindi naman matangkad. So ayan yung hitsura niya guys. Tsaka ito may hook dito sa ibaba, sa may center niya. Pwede mo dyan isabit yung bag niya. Ayan. Ano yung mga gamit na pwedeng isabit mo? Depende lang sa'yo. So, it depends upon sa'yo. Actually guys, itong smartphone na to, hindi na ito gumagana dahil sira na to. Pang-decorate lang natin yan. Parang ginagawa lang nating props yan. Ayan. So that's all for today guys. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up, then subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified every time a new video ako ma-upload. Alright? Hanggang dito na lang. Bye-bye.
I never made it,